Welcome back to SmartMental, where your mind matters and so do you. In today's video, we're diving into 10 effective stress management techniques for a calmer mind. Stress is a common part of life, but learning how to manage it is essential for our overall well-being. Let's explore these techniques together. 1. Deep breathing. Take a moment to focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Deep breathing activates the relaxation response and helps calm the mind. 2. Mindfulness meditation. Engage in mindfulness practices to anchor yourself in the present moment. Explore guided meditations or simply observe your thoughts and sensations without judgment. 3. Physical exercise. Get moving. Engaging in regular physical activity, whether it's yoga, jogging, or dancing, releases endorphins and helps alleviate stress. 4. Prioritize self-care. Carve out time for activities that bring you joy and relaxation, such as reading, taking a bath, or practicing a hobby. Self-care is vital for replenishing your mental and emotional reserves. 5. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a gratitude practice by acknowledging the things you are grateful for each day. This helps shift your focus to the positive aspects of life, reducing stress. 6. Connect with nature. Spend time outdoors, whether it's a walk in the park or tending to a garden. Connecting with nature has a calming effect on the mind and helps reduce stress levels. 7. Time management. Establish priorities and create a realistic schedule that allows for breaks and self-care. Effective time management can help reduce overwhelm and promote a sense of control. 8. Social support. Reach out to trusted friends or family members and share your feelings. Connecting with others and seeking support can provide comfort and perspective during stressful times. 9. Engage in relaxation techniques. Explore relaxation techniques such as progressive muscle relaxation, guided imagery, or aromatherapy. Find what works for you and make it a part of your stress management routine. 10. Set boundaries. Learn to say no when needed and establish healthy boundaries. Protecting your time and energy is crucial for managing stress and maintaining your well-being. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content on mental health. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time at SmartMental, where your mind matters, and so do you.